Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to update your META Ray-Ban glasses. To update them, go to the settings of the device. You can see there are two gears and you need to go to the settings on the device. Then you go to updates and you can see I have an update available. If you don't have any, then you don't have to do anything, but once you have an update available, it's worth updating it. So let's click on get started, and then you can set up automatic updates if you wish, but I update it manually. Now click on install update, and you can see it's doing it. Make sure to keep the app open all the time and the glasses close by. I can see they are updating because the LED inside is lighting white and orange, and the outside LED isn't really lighting up, so only the inside one is lighting up. And it'll take about 4 minutes, so I'll get back to you when it's finished. And now you can see it's finished, so we can go back, and it says that my device is up to date. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.